Welcome to Rustic Blooms. In the last video, we have covered how you can add transition to your images. And if you have missed this video, don't worry, I'm providing you a link in the I button. You can click to this link and go to that video and watch that video first. Now today, we are moving to the second step that we are going to play with the layers. And if you don't know what are layers, don't worry, everything will be cleared in this video. To get started with Kinemaster, click to this plus button and then select the ratio 16:9. Go to this media and insert any image that you want to. So here I am going to insert this gray background. Okay, now this is our background layer. So in the last video, we have covered this media. Today we are going to learn about this media which is inside the layer. There is a difference between this media and this media. Don't get confused, everything will be cleared in this video. So first step, what we have done, we have clicked to this media and we have gone to background and we have selected any random background color that I want. Then go to this media. Again you will get all that option that we have got previously. Now from here I have few images. So these are basically PNG images with no background. So transparent images are generally known as PNG images. I will show you more. If I will change the background color, I will go to this media and background. I take this red, yellow and green. Okay. Now if I will increase this, you can see this image get mixed with every color because this image does not contain any background. Since it is a PNG image, I will place it here. Now in order to add a new layer, so go to this layer, go to this media and here I have different image. I will keep this image here. Again, I will go to this media and I will take this image, clock, I will place it here. Next again, I have this school bag. I will keep it here. So we were learning layers. So what is layer? When you click to this, you will see here, this is the background layer. This is layer number 1. This is layer number 2. This clock one is layer number 3 and this calculator is layer number 4. So here we are having 4 layers with a background layer. So total we are having 5 layers and all these are PNG images. So it will get mixed with all the colors that we are having here. So let us increase and see how it will look. I'm just going to decrease this duration so I will not take much of your time and we will get the final result very fast. Okay. The next thing what you can observe here, how much is your background layer, that much your layer will be shown. So in this case, if I keep my background layer very less, you can see our images will be till here. And if I will increase this background layer, then I will get my images till here. So when we will run this video at fast, it will look very nice like a disco light. Okay, now next thing is you can add song to this video, but since I don't have any song, so I will not add it here. But if you are getting confusion with these images, that from where do we get these images, don't worry, I will tell you a source from where you can get thousands of PNG images and that is also for free. Let's see from where you can get. So here I am with PicsArt. You can see this is the interface of PicsArt. Here I am getting a search bar and I will just search. So here I will search for YouTube. Okay. Then I will go to the stickers and I will click here search. You can see so many images. The stickers are generally means PNG images. So suppose I want to take this social media icons. Then I will click to this apply. Then it will take you to the transparent background. Let's see, yes, it is there. Then we will click to this transparent background, and here you get. So in here you can scale it, you can zoom it, whatever you want to do. If you want to rub this, if I don't want this Facebook to be here, I can rub this easily. It is very easy. If I want to restore it, just simply I can restore it. Very easy to use. So when you are done with your icon, you can just pick it and just you can go and you can save it. It will be saved to your device. So let's see another one. So all these images I have downloaded from PicsArt only. Let's see, I want to download a subscribe button. So I will type here subscribe. So here I am getting many subscribe button. I like this one. So I will click it to apply. Then take a transparent background. And here I get. So I will just click it. I will right click it. Save it. Now when I will go to my Kinemaster. So here it is. I will go to this layer and I will go to this media. Then PicsArt. Here is that I have downloaded. See, you can see there is no background because we have selected transparent background there. So if I want to add it here, I can do that. Next image that we have downloaded is social media icon. Yes, I can place it here. So that's it. Yes, I have to increase the size of this. So it will be visible to all of the backgrounds. So you understood what is layers, what is media here and what is media here. If you don't understood, then I will give you a short recap. When you will click to this media, you will import a background layer to your timeline. And when you will click to this media, then you will insert a layer above the background layer. Means a layer above the background layer, and this media will give you a layer which is a background layer. So don't be get confused, and if you still have confusion, you can ask in the comment section. I'm always here to help you out. So thanks for watching Rustic Blooms. I will see you in the next video.